I thought, why don't we move it into the next level? Why don't we move it to a point where instead of coming in to the office and looking at the monitor that's mirroring the file, why not simply make the client's file available to them online?
By blowing the doors off the office, off the traditional office, by having 24-hour, 7-day-a-week access to their own files.
And we have created a system where you get online and it's all password secure, and you enter your password that we assign to you, and you not only will have an opportunity to see your file, the file that is produced by the federal government, by the Social Security Administration, by the judge that's going to judge and staff that's going to hear the case ultimately. But you will also see the documents that we are preparing for you, that we have prepared for you.
How does my case look, or what's going on with my file? And I think the fact that we have blown the doors off the traditional office, they can get answers to those questions immediately.
Maybe you don't have a computer at home, but there's usually a public library nearby. There's all kinds of internet cafes. Maybe you've only got to travel 2 blocks instead of 2 miles or 20 miles to get to the attorney's office.
Certainly we want to be able to have personal contact with them as well as much as we can, but we think that there are a lot of simple questions that we hope that they'll be able to answer for themselves, granted that access that we want to offer.
I think of it as coming into the traditional law office, bypassing the waiting room, bypassing the receptionist, bypassing the secretary, bypassing the paralegal, bypassing the attorney, going to the shelf and pulling your file off and looking at it.
At mysocialsecurityclaim.com, they don't have to wait for that. They can get those answers right away, whether it's 3 in the morning or on Christmas Day.
You didn't have to ask anybody's permission to find out what's going on in your life. I mean, it's your disability, it's your life, it's your family's life. And why shouldn't you be given complete and unbridled access to what's going on?